Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Soboro Bento. Soboro is just like a sloppy joe in the United States. It's a cooked ground chicken or pork, but we always top it with steamed rice. And it tastes so good and it goes so well together. This has been my specialty since I was high school student, and I used to make it for my boyfriend, but now I make it for my son. You can make ahead and it will keep well in the fridge for up to a week. And you can always make a rice bowl or bento anytime you want. Let's get started. Sprinkle sake on ground chicken and start cooking on medium-low heat. Separate the chicken into each grain. This is my original way of cooking soboro. I want to eliminate any gamey smell from the chicken. And it doesn't mean Japanese chicken has a gamey smell, but I want to make sure my chicken soboro doesn't have any strong chickeny smell that overwhelms the taste. It's good to use 3 to 4 chopsticks to separate into each grains. When the chicken is cooked and the juice comes out from it, drain it into a sieve. This juice contains a strong smell. So drain well and put it back into the clean frying pan. Add seasonings and cook on medium-low heat until all the liquid is gone. Then transfer into a container and you can keep it up to a week in the fridge. Next, we are going to make egg soboro. Mix mentuyu and potato starch and water. Crack eggs and beat until egg yolk and white combine. Add seasonings and mix to combine. Heat your frying pan on medium-low heat and drizzle with vegetable oil. Pour all the egg mixture into the frying pan while it's not too hot. Use 3 to 4 chopsticks and keep stirring until it's cooked into a soft and small scrambled egg. I make this egg soboro quite often to make sushi or bento or rice bowls like this. The color is vivid and the taste is so mild, and it brings out the taste of the main ingredients, in this case chicken soboro, and it goes so well with unagi or shrimp or grilled salmon. And the preparation is done. Let's make into a striped soboro bento. Pack rice 1 cm below the edge and top with egg soboro and chicken soboro side by side. And the idea behind the stripe is you can enjoy the chicken soboro and egg soboro in one bite. I hope it makes sense. For the finishing touch, pack with tomato and cucumbers that has been salted and squeeze out the moisture to make them even more vibrant. And you can also make a rice bowl like this. It's going to make a nice satisfying breakfast or lunch. To make an upgraded version of Soboro Bento is I packed with a karaage or teriyaki chicken. This is great, and this is the killer bento. I love Soboro's sweet and savory taste. The taste of soy sauce and mirin never lets you down. Look at this cute apron. One of my friends makes it for me. Isn't it great? I love cooking, but it makes me even more happier in the kitchen. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!